Hi guys, my name is Omega Brooks and I am just coming on really quick to share with you the MadamSew 100% wool press mat. I was able to use this weekend. I just recently got it. There was a call for sewers to make some face masks for local hospitals, and so I needed to be able to fuse the fabric, and so I was able to use my press mat for that. Came in really handy. So the thing that I like about it, you can use this to travel with you anywhere. If you sew with sewing groups for quilting and small piece work and that type of thing, it's really easy to take with you. This was the mat. Once it's sewn together, was able to press it flat, and then of course the end result was my face masks. And this came in really handy for this project this weekend. So check it out, guys. The MadamSew on MadamSew.com, of course, and check out the pressing mat. They also have a lot of other products that are really handy for us sewers. So check out MadamSew, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.